Greetings from Bible Church International, New Jersey. On behalf of the entire church family here, we wanted to greet Pastor Joby a happy birthday. I know that our ministry is indebted to Pastor Joby because of his faithful ministry as the director of our BCI churches in the Philippines. I look back and recognize that through his leadership, we are able to adequately coordinate and supervise our churches, and we're able to effectively partner with all the congregations that we have. I'm grateful to the Lord that the Lord has gave us Pastor Joby, not just as our director for BCI churches in the Philippines, but even as our pastor in BCI Angono. Throughout the years that he has served as a pastor in Angono, I have seen how the Lord has blessed his work. And I count it as a real blessing to BCI church family that the Lord has given us Pastor Joby as the one who will administer and help our churches even as we continue our partnerships with them. Again, happy birthday, Pastor Joby, and it is our prayer that God will continue to use you mightily. It is our prayer that God will supply all your needs, most especially your need of a good wife in the coming days. God bless you. Happy birthday once again.